Ready with me? Let's talk about culture shocks that I had going back to the Philippines. Pinakauna ko talagang culture shock na umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, yung init. Baka naman sabihin nyo, hindi nainit dito. Malamang nainit dito. Pero yung init dito, hindi siya nananakit. As in, nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, parang sinampal na ako, binugbog na ako ng init. My God. Pati nga yung buhok, pinagtripan na ng init eh. And then whenever I went outside, parang binuhusan ako ng mantika sa mukha because of how oily it is. Dude, the slang has changed so much throughout the 5 years I was gone. And obviously when I stayed in the Philippines, I also hanged out with a couple of my friends back from elementary school. Whenever they would talk, I would hear some words that I have never heard in my life. And I'm like, huh? I don't know if I heard it from my friends or from my cousin, but what is umsim? Like, what is that? I just understood what Lodi is, and now there's umsim. Like, hinahinay lang, mabagal lang kalaban. But yung humor ko, tsaka yung slang ko, it's back from 2018, 2017. You know what? You guys should actually teach me some slang. Sometimes people be commenting, and I'm like, ano na sabi nila? And I'm like, I have to like search it up on Urban Dictionary or something to just know what it means. Pero wag naman kayo mag-comment na kung ano-ano, mamaya may sinasabi akong word tapos mali pala yung meaning. Nakakahiya naman. Actually, I don't trust you guys putting the right meaning in the comment section, so wag na pala. One thing I was shocked as well is that nothing really changed. I genuinely thought throughout the years that people's attitudes would change and would become like, you know, nicer. But after 5 years, ganun pa rin yung mga tao eh. Like, it's the same old stuff they repeat every single time. Yung natumataba na raw ako, tapos may na-mention pa nila yung kulay ko. Sabihin pa sa akin, oh, Ching, nangingitim ka na yata ah. This is future me, but I feel like every time someone says that, parang may pinaparinig sila. And I'm like, anong magagawa ko? Kutis ko yan. I feel like it's a constant reminder for me to just stay like white as a ghost. Like, we live in a tropical island. Obviously, we're not gonna be pale. We're gonna be a little tan. This is not a culture shock, but gusto ko lang makipagchismisan. Sabi kasi nung kaibigan ko sa Pilipinas, from afar, halata na daw taga-Amerika ako. Hindi niya daw ma-explain, basta mukha daw taga-Amerika. If you happen to just like meet me out of nowhere, would you think I'm from America? Or no? Maybe I'm just delusional. And that's it for the TikTok today. Let me know if you have more questions. Bye-bye na po!